Hey Rocco, so we're now on part 2 of lesson 9 for module 3. So today we're working just with example number 2. Yesterday we worked with example 1. I'm hoping yesterday made sense. I haven't gotten any emails from you, so if it didn't, please email me and let me know, or have your mom email me just to let me know that it's not making sense and that I need to find a different way to teach this, okay? If it is making sense, great, let's keep going. So we're on example 2. Shelby is 7 times as old as Bonnie. If in 5 years, the sum of Bonnie's and Shelby's ages is 98, find Bonnie's present age. Use an algebraic approach. Okay, so I'm trying to make this a little bit simpler. So I'm going to try to make a chart like this. You may want to just pause this right now just so you can copy the chart. So first we need to figure out, okay, Bonnie and Shelby. So Shelby is 7 times as old as Bonnie. Let's say Bonnie's age is X. Bonnie's age, oh, my marker's dying. Let's try with a different marker then. So Bonnie's age is X. If Bonnie's age is X, then Shelby's age is 7 times as much of that. 7X, right? 7 times as old as Bonnie. Now, in 5 years, they're going to be 98 combined. But let's just say, okay, 5 years from now. 5 years from now, Bonnie's going to be X plus 5. And Shelby would be 7X plus 5. That's how much they're going to be in 5 years. But now we know that these two combined is going to be equal to 98. So let's take a board. Oh, sorry, I should probably let you pause this. Copy it down. All right, so let's go ahead and start writing this out as an algebraic problem. So I'm going to write up and down so that we have space for everything. Hopefully it all fits. So we know X plus 5, that was Bonnie's age in 5 years, plus Shelby's age, which was 7X plus 5, is equal to 98. We know 5 years from now it's all equal to 98. Okay, I'm going to use red and green, and just each time I switch, like each step is going to be a different color, just so that it's super clear which one's which step. So the next one, now what we're going to do, we're going to combine like terms. So I'm going to combine the two 5s to get 10, and I'm going to combine my 1x and my 7x to get 8x. So I'm just going to rewrite it, 8x plus 10 equals 98. All right? 8x plus 10 equals 98. Now, with my green, we'll move on to the next step. We're gonna kind of try to make it a little bit lengthier, because we're gonna try to subtract 10 from each side. That way this ends up being 0 and this ends up being a different number. Remember, we can subtract 10 from each side because since we're doing it from both sides, it'll still stay equal. So 8x plus 10 minus 10 equals 98 minus 10. All right, so let's subtract the 10. 8x would be, what's left here? I'll write that a little bit over. 8x, that'd be plus 0, but that's, we don't need to put the 0. So then 98 minus 10 would be 88. 8x equals 88. So now I can multiply my 8x times 1/8 and my 88 times 1/8. 1/8 times 8x equals 1/8 times 88. Oh, I knew I was going to do that. I'm going to rewrite that in green so that it's super clear how many steps we've done. So 1/8 times 8x equals 1/8 times 88. Look at that. We're doing multiplying by 1/8 because that's going to get us down to just 1 on this side. I know we're going to end up with just 1x. We're multiplying by on both sides so that it stays equivalent. So 1/8 times 8x will give us just 1x. And then 1/8 times 88 gives us 11. And there we go. Now we have x. Bonnie's age, we now know, is how old? Well, if I look back, Bonnie's age right now is x. And we just found x is 11. So Bonnie is 11. Shelby's 7 times as old, so Shelby would be 77. In 5 years, Bonnie is 5 years older, 11 plus 15, which is 16. And Shelby would be 5 years older, 77 plus 5 is 82. And there we go. We just did more than what the problem said, but I think you could handle that last bit. That's it. That's all I had to teach you right now. We want to make sure that you're understanding this. So I want to have you do all of the problem set questions. There's quite a few. Oh my goodness. There's 13 problem set questions. I know you will not get all of those done today. There's no way. You can sit there doing math till you're blue in the face and you'll still have problems left. So I'm going to give you today and tomorrow to work on those problem set questions. So divide that in half. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. So you should be doing about 6 today and 7 tomorrow, most likely, since you did this part already. So do numbers 1 through 6 today. Tomorrow do numbers 7 through 13, and then send those to me somehow, if that's taking a picture or scanning it or something, so that I know that you're understanding what we're doing, okay? Have a great day, Rocco, and let me know if you have any questions.